Every day, chemicals shape our world, in medicines, food, and everyday products. But what goes into manufacturing these chemicals at scale and with precision? It involves complex reactions, sophisticated equipment, and highly qualified teams making thousands of precise decisions every single day. At Scimplify, we operate on an asset-light manufacturing model, leveraging the untapped capacity of over 500 trusted manufacturing partners worldwide. Unlike traditional manufacturing companies, this decentralized network allows us to deliver high-quality products efficiently while maintaining flexibility and cost-effectiveness. The process begins with our team identifying the right technology tailored to meet our customers' exact needs. Using our manufacturing operating system, Atoms, we map specific customer requirements to the best manufacturing partner in our network, all guided by our 3C framework, which focuses on capacity, chemistry, and compliance. This ensures that every project is assigned to a plant that is technically equipped, regulatorily aligned, and ready to execute.
The first C is capacity. What we do is we understand that what is the infrastructure for any plant that we are working with. The second C is around chemistry. Now, chemistry is the heart of the product of the molecule. The third C is around compliance. Compliance is an extremely critical factor for us here at Scimplify.
At the core of our manufacturing process is Scimplify's tech transfer team. With a group of highly experienced professionals, we ensure the successful transfer of processes and technologies from lab scale to commercial scale production. Once the tech transfer is completed successfully, we move into the actual chemical manufacturing process, a tightly controlled sequence that converts raw materials into high-quality chemical products. The manufacturing process begins with raw materials, which are rigorously tested by our QA and QC experts for purity and consistency. Once validated, we move to kilo-scale production, where feasibility is tested, potential reaction challenges are predicted, and the process is carefully fine-tuned. Upon validation, the process moves to commercial-scale production, where large reactors handle complex chemistries under highly controlled conditions and tightly regulated parameters to ensure consistency and product quality. Throughout this process, Scimplify's R&D, QA, QC, and production teams work closely with partner plants to ensure smooth scale-ups, achieving consistent quality, efficacy, and regulatory compliance. After the reaction stage is completed, the key product is separated, purified, and isolated from impurities and byproducts. For specific end-use applications, further processing is carried out to achieve extremely high purity levels. Lastly, the finished product undergoes a final round of quality control testing to confirm exact purity, stability, and shelf life. Once approved, it is securely packed with proper labeling and certifications, stored under safe conditions, and shipped to customers across more than 25 countries. Throughout this entire journey, our digital platform, Atoms, provides real-time traceability from initial R&D and manufacturing all the way to final delivery, making the entire process transparent and trustworthy. At Scimplify, we're not just manufacturers. We're your trusted partner in scaling chemistries from concept to commercialization. Let's build your next breakthrough together.